can use something called page.pause. And what is this feature? Basically, this feature allows me to pause the test right on after this section. So it will go to this section, Playwright dev, it will open this, and after that it pauses. And if I use this feature, I'll show you how it works like. So it opens the browser, which is here, and then there opens another section which is called the Playwright Inspector. This is a very useful tool while working on Playwright. So you can see like it has paused over in this section. If I click on this step over, it will navigate to the second part, which is this code right here, right? And it is showing like which part it is navigating to in this section. Now if I click on one more time, it says that it's trying to find this to be visible, which it has found. And when I click on this, it will say okay, everything is passed. So it's a very great, I would say, very useful debugging tool. So you can see while I'm typing this, already I'm getting some suggestions. So who is suggesting me this? This is basically this Copilot. So Copilot will fill in like those things that while you're coding you want to do something, right? It will try to suggest things, and if you want, you can take the help of Copilot like this.